These grains may be oldies, but they are definitely goldies. Stick around and see how to make this super salad. If you want to try this recipe out yourself, please make sure an adult helps you with the oven, hot stoves, and sharp utensils. Take the grains in question, that's your bulgur wheat and quinoa, and get them boiling with a little salt. 15 minutes should be enough to bring them back to life into the present day. Once they are good and fluffy, move them into a bowl to cool. Add your chickpeas, lentils, mint, and parsley, plus the all-important pomegranate seed. They make everything look delicious. You are never fully dressed without, dressing. Toss through and hail Caesar, or someone. Wait, that's a different Asian salad. Crispy onions aren't just slamming on a hot dog, you know. You can use them to add a little zest to its salad tool. And there's your ancient grain salad, just like great granny used to make it, I assume. For the full details you'll need to make this awesome dish, check out the description box below. Happy cooking!